Hi guys, welcome to another video here with me at the Aspiring Home Cook. Today we're going to kick off the new year just right. We're going to start off our day with a healthy batch of strawberry oat smoothies. The oats make these smoothies delicious and creamy without having to use an ice cream to thicken it up. So let's go straight ahead and whip up a batch. To make our strawberry oat smoothie, we're going to need 1.5 cup of milk, 12 to 15 strawberries, 4 tablespoons of oats, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, and honey to taste. I've got about a tablespoon's worth here. And then it's really as simple as getting all your ingredients into your blender jar or your food processor. And you're going to process this until everything has pureed and is nice and smooth. And once it has pureed thoroughly, you can go ahead and taste for sweetness. Adjust the sweetness if you'd like. And when you're happy with it, you simply decant it into glasses. A word about straws. Now, while plastic straws are easily available, you also have better alternatives that are better for the planet. You can very easily find beautiful paper straws in a large variety of colors, and these are more eco-friendly than your plastic ones. Also, what I've recently found are these stainless steel metal straws. You get these in a set, usually of about 4, with a tiny little cleaner that you can use to clean your straw through thoroughly. So make the right choice for the planet. Use either a paper or a metal straw and you're good to go. And how easy was that? Just a few ingredients and blend them in your blender or food processor for about a couple of minutes and you end up with a beautiful batch of smoothies. My version of a healthy strawberry and oat smoothie. I hope you enjoyed today's simple video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified every time a new video gets uploaded. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you really soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.